Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and welcome to the second part of this beautiful yellow cardigan. Well, if you missed the first part, here in the description box below I will share the second part. I did get ahead and I have completed flowers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Until here we have 8. So I continue, I follow the instructions, I made more rows, I increased the number of double crochet each 2 rows. You have to check the drawing and you have to make the same number of stitches and rows in the second part. We will have 2 parts exactly. We will start here from the center. We will complete the same number of leaves. Well, if you fold it, here in the bottom, I'm going to put a mark. I will put this thread. This is where I finish the row, okay? So if you fold it like this, you will have this piece. So we must have 2 pieces exactly like this one. So this will be, let me open more the image, okay? So this will be the sleeve, so I continue making more rows according to the width of the sleeve that I wanted. So that's why I'm going to stop here because the width of my sleeve is perfect. But what happened here? Here for the front and for the back, I still need to make more rows. So look, we are going to put some markers. Okay, but so far you must have 2 pieces like this one. And once you have these 2 pieces, we are going to put these markers, some here in the top where the shoulders will be. So well, in this part, later, once we are sure, we are going to sew it. Okay, so that's why we are only going to put some markers. We are just going to continue making more rows in the front, in the back, and in the bottom if you want. Well, what we are going to make in this side, now for now, let me finish to put these markers. Okay, I will show you. For the front, let me finish. Okay, now look. So this will be the sleeve and we have here our front. We will start here. We will continue making more and then we will continue drawing the leaves from here. For here we will stop, okay? Not anymore. We are just going to make the double crochet of the sides, not of the neck. So we will continue all until here. We will go around the corner, then we will make the next corner and the second front. We will stop here, okay? And again we will repeat. We will only make this double crochet. So while you will continue making more rows until you get the first half of the width of your size, okay? You will decide how many rows more you have to make and you will decide for a small, maybe these rows are enough, but please try on. Well, remember that we must have 2 pieces like this one, so you will repeat the same number of rows in this piece and in the second one, okay? I'm going to fold it. I have already these 2 pieces ready. I'm going to teach you how I'm going to make more rows, but so far I have these 2 pieces with the same number of rows, okay? I haven't increased more. So this is what I have so far. We have the 2 fronts ready and the 2 backs too. I think for a small size it's perfect, but I want it for me, it's a larger size, so I will increase more rows in front, in the back, and in the bottom. So I will start here, and we will finish in the other side. So everything will be the same. We will continue with the drawing here in the corner. We will complete it, and also in the back too, and we are going to make the same in the second piece. Here in this first corner, we are just going to complete one side of double crochet. So I will make more and see you at the end. Well, making a recap, remember that here for this sleeve only we will make 8 leaves and we are just going to continue with the front, okay, and with the bottom and with the back too. this is what we are going to make more rows here. Here we will continue straight, we will just only make one shell, and after the shell we are going to continue with only double crochet, and we will make 12 rows. And before you sew, please make sure that both sides are facing to the right side. Well, once you have two pieces ready and you try on and you are sure that you don't need, sorry, to make more rows, we are going to sew in the back, and you are going to divide the shoulders in half, and you are just going to crochet from the half to the back. From here we will have the half, so we will sew from here to the back, okay? And these pieces from here are the ones that will make the sports neck. So we always sew the back and the shoulders, and see you to teach you how we are going to make the ending, the last rows for the edge. Well, before we make any other action, let's hide all these threads that we have here, because later we will be more lazy too, okay? So please, if you see one, use your embroidery needle. I will use an embroidery needle with a big eye, so this won't damage my yarn, okay? So I will pass it through. Remember, if you are combining colors, well, try to hide it, the thread with the same color of yarn with the same area, so you can perfectly blend it, okay? So here, like this is how I pass through the needle, and then I insert the thread into the eye, and now I'm ready to cut. I will make the same with all the threads. Well, now with embroidery needle and with our hook, we are going to sew this part, okay? We'll take a marker, sorry, so I can match all the pieces and I can use them to sew in order. So here I'm going to start. Well, I already get ahead a little bit, and I will show you. I will use the invisible stitch. We will go in zigzag and we will go from the bottom to the top like this, and with this we won't create any pleat. The same way we are going to sew the sleeves too. So we will continue, and we'll see you when I finish. Well, here I want you to see I made a row of single crochet all around my cardigan. So here in the two fronts and then in the bottom, and well, in the neck I made a row of only double crochet here. Well, and like this we are going to continue making more rows. I will go and come back to make the neck like a sports neck, right? So I will make approximately 6 or 7 rows more, and then I will fold it. You will see you when you can make more rows. At the end I will finish making a crab stitch row all around, and this will be the last row for the edge, like here that I made for the sleeves. But if you don't know how, that will show you. Okay, it's like single crochet but backwards. But well, so far we are going to make this single crochet row and the double crochet rows for the neck, and then the crab stitch. Look, for the neck I already made more rows. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 rows. Well, and then at the end, when I finish to make these rows, you will make the rows that you need. I made, sorry, a single crochet row all around the neck too, and then over the single crochet row, I will make the crab stitch, okay? So I can have the same ending in all the sides in all my cardigan. I also made a single crochet row around the sleeves too, and then crab stitch. Please take into account that you don't have to tie too much, or please be careful and not skip spaces, because then it will make the spoon effect and the shape will distort. So try to make these last rows a little bit loose, and then you will hide all the threads and you will iron with using a protection under with the steam, okay? Very soft and very gently over this cardigan? Well, I will show you how you can make the crab stitch. Well, so this will be the last row for all the sides. Once you make the single crochet row, you are going to finish and make the crab stitch. It's like single crochet but backwards. You see? You have 2 threads and then you are going to bring them through. Then insert your hook, take the yarn and bring them through like this all around, and try to make also this step loose. Try not to tight, and well, with this we will finish. Now let's see how it looks. Well, this is the end of the second part. I hope that you have enjoyed making this cardigan with me. I tried to make it as clear as I could. I hope that you don't have any doubt. If you do, well, please don't forget to leave me a comment. You can have one piece. In one piece you have the sleeve and the back and the front too. You see? Remember that you have to make 2 pieces exactly like this, and then you can join them and make the size of the cardigan that you want. But well, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a like, and don't forget to share this video if you like it. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and if you missed the first part, here I will share the link in the description box below. Take care and see you soon. If you have an idea, please let me know. I will be reading all your comments. Thank you. Bye.